Many people get hurt on the job using products that their employer gave them, their boss gave them, and said, use it this way. What happens oftentimes when people call a lawyer after that's happened is that they have let their employer move the product or not allow photographs to be taken or something that changes the product before a lawyer has to look at it. If you get injured on the job, you tell your boss you want whatever you were using to be set aside so that a lawyer or an expert or someone who has some knowledge can look and see if the product is defective, to see if the product broke in some way, see if the product was designed in some way that wasn't intended, to see if the warnings were proper so that when you used it, you would understand that it could be used a certain way, but not another way. And if your employer or your boss doesn't want to do that, pick up the phone, call us. We'll make sure they understand how important it is that this product be saved. Just because you have workers' comp does not mean that you don't have a claim against a product manufacturer. Bosses don't really care about it. You're going to get workers' comp, not my problem. It is your problem. If there's an industrial product that you're using, no matter how big or how small, that causes you injury, you tell your boss you want someone to look at it, to photograph it, and you want someone to examine what happened on this day with you. And then you may have a case in the future. If you don't do it on day one, you won't have a case in the future. So protect yourself from your own employers trying to remove things when they shouldn't be moved.